Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cartoon Santa hat. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Santa hat, let's begin right here. And I'm just going to begin by making a line that's just going to kind of come across with like a curve and then it comes down. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down on each side. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and kind of a curve, and then bring it up. You can see this is a little bit more straight on top, and this is a little more curved, and you'll see why. Next, I'm going to curve a line that's going to go around. We're going to come up and just curve it back here. Then right here, we're just going to make a line that's just going to curve down and then come back up here. Now let's make the top of the hat. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to come up, and then we're going to bring this down here. And then right here we're going to bring this line up, and then we'll make another little line right here. Right here we're going to bring this line down to a point. And then we're just going to make a bumpy little kind of puffball at the end. Then I want to add a little funny face to our Santa hat. So I'm going to begin by making a circle for the eye. We're going to leave some space and we'll make another circle for an eye over here. I'm going to draw another circle inside of here, and I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white. And then same thing here, I'm going to draw a circle for the pupil, and I'm going to color in most of it, leaving just a little bit white. Next, we're going to make a line across for the mouth. Then a line that's going to go down and up. And then a little curved line here. And there you go, there is your drawing of a little cartoon Santa hat. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.